What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about XRP and how XRP is about to explode. So let's get right into this. So from a chart perspective, XRP looks a lot like Bitcoin did before it went parabolic in 2021. Here's a chart right here. As you can see, the same fractal of human emotion is taking place on both charts. This is why I believe XRP will see a huge parabolic run, because of the fact that we have the same human emotion taking place currently on XRP that happened back in 2021 on Bitcoin. Now on the smaller time frame, we're forming a triangle, as you can see in this chart here, and this triangle is a reaccumulation pattern before we push up higher, up to a new all-time high on XRP. So for anybody looking for an opportunity to buy the dip, this is definitely the time to do it. We have a perfect structure. We're a little bit undervalued in the short term, and in the bigger picture, we're really getting ready for a big parabolic run. XRP also looks exactly like its first accumulation cycle. So as you can see over here on the left, we have XRP's first accumulation, and over here on the right, we have XRP today. So I'm expecting a big parabolic run based on this fractal of human emotion. Hey kitty, I'm trying to make a video right now. You realize that, right? Goodness. So we're really at the phase of the market cycle for XRP where things are about to get very exciting and very vertical. And when we get to that phase in the cycle, a lot of people think the top is already in, but really it's that point in the cycle where the psychology is still in disbelief. A lot of people don't think it's going to go up, and we end up going parabolic and vertical. Now XRP has the potential to take a lot of the money out of traditional finance and move it over to the blockchain space, which is one of the fundamental reasons that I believe XRP will be a hard runner for this cycle. Crypto is also headed into a mass adoption phase where the general public will be using it more and more, whereas before it was something that only a select few people really knew about and understood. Now crypto is becoming something that everybody will be using on an everyday basis. Now, because of this mass adoption phase coming for crypto, I firmly believe we will see crypto accepted everywhere. You go to the gas station, you go to your local restaurant, you go to Walmart, and they will have an area where you can pay with crypto. And because blockchain is a safer, more secure system than our previous systems of centralized systems, I do believe we will see a lot of money coming from real estate, from the fiat currency, forex currency, and from all of the more traditional finance coming into crypto. So one of the things that's really going to be cool about this is the tokenization of real world assets, gold, silver, even stocks being tokenized on the blockchain because it's a decentralized, more secure system. And I believe this will help reduce the amount of manipulation and centralized control and give power back more into the hands of the people when it comes to finance. So with XRP, there's a huge opportunity for all of the banking money to be moved from the banking system into the blockchain where it's more safe and more secure. So it's like a bridge token from traditional finance into the world of crypto. XRP also has a lot of similarities to the early day NVIDIA accumulation. So here's NVIDIA on the right and XRP over here on the left. You can see from this chart that that accumulation pattern led to a huge breakout, a big parabolic run on Nvidia because it was adopted by the public. Now, XRP has actually been number 2 in total market cap twice. And because of that, I believe XRP could also pass Ethereum in market capitalization. So for all my XRP holders out there, big things are coming. I firmly believe we will see a big parabolic run for this coin, a lot of profit to be made, and there's some very exciting things going on in the XRP ecosystem. Now, before I call it a video, because this cat is scratching my legs completely apart, I just want to tell you guys that I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. And as always, stay profitable out there. Kitty, do you think XRP is gonna explode?